Hello friends, my name is Praveen Anchal. This is the last part of this chapter, that is what is democracy and why democracy, under which we will discuss about the broader meaning of democracy. So first of all, I just want to tell you that India follows a representative type of democracy under which we send our representative in our parliament and legislative assembly, where they are taking decision and making law on behalf of us. So that is called as representative democracy, which is followed in a large country like India, because we cannot sit all together, all 130 crore people cannot sit all together and make policies and program for us. That is why we send our representative. But we need to understand that democracy is not just a form of government. It is much beyond that. Means democracy is a principle also, and democracy is the tool to compare different other democratic nations. Like some democratic country are more democratic in nature, some democratic country are less democratic in nature. For example, Pakistan is a less democratic country as compared to India. So let's start. The first very important point you can mention under the broader meaning of democracy is that democracy is not just a form of government, it is a principle also. Means this principle you can implement anywhere, within your family, within your friend circle, within your school. Means suppose if your father is taking consultation with other family member before taking any decision, so your father is following democratic principle. One more example I am giving to you. Suppose your principal of a school is consulting with other teachers and other management team before taking any decision, then your principal is following democratic principle. So with these two example, you can understand that this democracy is also a principle apart from being a type of government. Now the next one is we can compare two or more democratic countries on the basis of level of facilities and freedom the people have. So it is also the standard of measuring the two nations. Means some nation can be more democratic in nature, some nations can be less democratic in nature. Means if you will compare India with Pakistan, so India is much better. But if you compare India with America, then America is much better on the basis of democratic standards. A few interesting facts I just want to share with you. Recently, democratic ranking released in 2020, in which India's rank was 51. Last year our ranking was 41, and now this year our ranking is 51, which is quite poor, we can say, for a country like India. The best country in this ranking was Norway, and Norway hold the first position. So you can understand with this ranking that we are going down and down. So you can comment below and let me know that what are the reasons behind our poor performance in democratic ranking this year. One more thing I just want to share with you, that America is the most powerful democratic country and India is the world's largest democratic country. So friends, at last I just want to tell you that no country is a perfect country, no form of government is a perfect form of government. The fate of the country, the performance of the country is not only depending upon the prime minister or the president or the ruler, it is also depending upon the citizen of a country, that what we do as a citizen. So with this note, I would like to thank you all for listening to us, and I hope you understood all the concept of this chapter. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself, thank you.